Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a CROSSCALL Core M5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Tap on the contacts and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions it needs and then tap on this edit icon. Let me first of all remove this photo, so I'll show you what you will see after entering the contact, and right now just tap on this profile section. Here we can either take a photo, and after picking this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And here we have to find the photo and tap. Okay, and here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, we can also change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So you can also rotate the picture, it's up to you, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear on the contact, so if you are ready to finish everything, just tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see the photo on the contact list, but be patient, just give it a time to refresh itself, and you will be able to see the photo, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.